There are forces in this world we can see: mountains rising, rivers flowing, storms crashing across the sea. And then there are forces we cannot. Unseen, unfelt, but no less real. Above us, around us, within the very air we breathe, there hums a quiet, invisible power, a force field that surrounds the earth and shields all life from the fury of space. This is the Earth's magnetic field. It is ancient, dynamic, vital, and it may be changing. To many, it's just a compass reading, north and south, a needle swinging in a steady line. But to scientists, it is one of Earth's most complex and mysterious systems. It has flipped, faded, strengthened, and shifted, reshaping life's evolution and guiding the modern world in equal measure. Today, it is weakening in strange ways, and in certain places, it is unraveling. We are just beginning to understand why and what it means. The journey of the magnetic field begins not in the sky, but deep beneath our feet. Thousands of kilometers below the surface lies Earth's outer core, a massive, molten ocean of iron and nickel, heated by the planet's interior and stirred by planetary rotation. Temperatures exceed 4,000 degrees Celsius. Pressures rival those found on the surface of the Sun. This superheated metal moves in colossal currents. These motions generate electrical charges, and from those charges, a magnetic field emerges. It's called the geodynamo, a self-sustaining mechanism that has powered Earth's magnetic shield for over 3.5 billion years. Unlike a bar magnet, Earth's magnetic field is not uniform or stable. It pulses, it wobbles, it evolves. Magnetic lines of force stretch outward from the core, wrapping the globe and extending into space, forming a protective shell known as the magnetosphere. This field doesn't just define magnetic north. It deflects radiation. It protects the atmosphere. It makes life on Earth possible. Without it, the story of our planet might have ended long ago. To understand the importance of Earth's magnetic field, we must leave the planet. Beyond the atmosphere lies the solar wind, a constant barrage of charged particles ejected from the sun. These particles move at incredible speeds and carry immense energy. When aimed directly at Earth, they threaten to erode the atmosphere, damage DNA, and wreak havoc on electronics. But the magnetic field blocks them. As solar wind approaches, it is deflected around the planet like water around a stone. Charged particles spiral along magnetic lines and are trapped in vast belts above the Earth, the Van Allen radiation belts, where they are mostly harmless. Some of these particles escape near the poles, where magnetic lines converge. When they collide with the upper atmosphere, they create breathtaking auroras, green, red, and purple veils of light that shimmer in silence. But those lights are not just beautiful. They are evidence of an ongoing battle, a quiet war between solar chaos and planetary order. Without the magnetic field, Earth would look very different. It might look like Mars. Mars once had water, a thicker atmosphere, a potential for life. But its magnetic field collapsed long ago, leaving it defenseless. Over time, the solar wind stripped away its atmosphere, transforming it into a frozen, barren world. Earth was spared because it kept its shield. But even this shield is not constant. Earth's magnetic field is always changing. It drifts. It wobbles. It strengthens. It weakens. Over the last 2 centuries, scientists have observed a clear trend. The global magnetic field is declining in strength by nearly 10%. Some regions are fading faster than others. Perhaps the most curious anomaly lies over the South Atlantic Ocean. Known as the South Atlantic Anomaly, this region has a significantly weaker magnetic field than the global average. Satellites passing through it have reported increased radiation exposure, data corruption, and even hardware failures. What's happening beneath this patch of sky? Models suggest that deep in the outer core, two massive regions of opposing magnetic flow are colliding. One is growing stronger, the other weaker. The result is a warped field, one that may continue to spread. Meanwhile, the North Magnetic Pole is moving rapidly, faster than at any point in recorded history. It has migrated from Canada towards Siberia at speeds exceeding 50 kilometers per year. These aren't random jitters. They are signatures of deep geophysical processes playing out over decades and centuries. Something is stirring in the Earth's core. The most dramatic change a magnetic field can undergo is a reversal. Roughly every few 100,000 years, the magnetic poles switch places. North becomes south, south becomes north, and for a time, the field becomes tangled, chaotic, dotted with multiple poles and weaker protection. The last reversal occurred about 780,000 years ago, but Earth has experienced many, at least 180 over the past 80 million years. Scientists have traced these events by studying ancient lava flows. As molten rock cools, iron particles inside align with the prevailing magnetic field, freezing its direction into stone. These fossilized compass needles tell us that reversals can take thousands of years to complete, and during that time, the field may weaken significantly. Are we due for another? No one can say, but the recent decline in field strength, the rapid pole drift, and the growing South Atlantic anomaly raise real questions. If a reversal begins in our era, it would unfold gradually, but the implications could be profound. A magnetic reversal wouldn't end the world, but it would challenge it. In a weakened or scrambled field, satellites would be more vulnerable to solar storms. Spacecraft electronics could degrade faster. GPS systems, which rely on stable geomagnetic models, could need constant recalibration. Radiation exposure at high altitudes might increase, impacting frequent flyers and airline crews, especially near the poles. Animals that migrate using magnetoreception, birds, sea turtles, even some whales, could become disoriented. Some species might adapt, others might struggle. And while Earth's atmosphere would still protect us from the most harmful solar radiation, the long-term biological effects of increased cosmic exposure remain unclear. Technologically, our world is more vulnerable than ever before. From power grids to navigation systems to internet infrastructure, a disrupted magnetic field introduces risks humanity has never had to face. We will not be destroyed, but we will be tested. Today, we are more equipped than ever to observe, model, and understand the magnetic field. In orbit, satellites like ESA's Swarm, NASA's magnetospheric multiscale mission, and Japan's arrays measure fluctuations in the magnetosphere with extreme precision. On the ground, hundreds of geomagnetic observatories track the field's daily changes. Supercomputers model the flow of the outer core in 3 dimensions, running simulations of the next reversal. We are no longer blind to the shifts beneath our feet. Still, prediction remains difficult. The geodynamo is a chaotic system. It operates on timescales we can barely comprehend. A sudden pulse in the core today might ripple into a polar flip or disappear into the noise of natural variation. What we do know is this: the field will change. It always has. It always will. And what matters is not fear, but readiness. The magnetic field is not just a shield. It is a story, written in fire and metal, told across eons, hidden from our eyes, yet always present in our lives. It has guided ancient navigators, protected fragile ecosystems, and shaped the very surface of our world.